everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can cancel order on TikTok Shop. So the first step that you have to do is open your TikTok and then go to the shop at the bottom. And from here, just go ahead and tap on the orders at the first menu. So from here, you will see all the orders that you have. So just choose whatever order that you're going to cancel and just make sure that you cancel before 24 hours or before the order is shipped. So just tap on the cancel order right here, and then you will have to select a reason of your cancellation. So you can pick any of these. I'm just going to click on no longer needed. And then after selecting the reason, you will just have to confirm by tapping on the cancel order at the bottom, which is the red button at the bottom. So it will just load for a bit, so you just have to wait for it until the screen pops up. So in here, you will see that the refund is approved and the cancellation order will be processed right and then. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!